The acid trip, man. Okay. So alchemy was highly available to every human on the planet, and for a long time, you know, like just because if you would say, oh, in a westernized system, we didn't, you know, we're just now getting all these accesses. The answer is yes, but they were still going on well before in other parts of the world, man. All right. So acid. Okay. This is the thing that I got in this. All right. Who hasn't been on acid and then experienced in their life where you are seeing the puddles of the ether and the very energetic flow of the water? Ah, man, was it? So these are the things you know, once you remove fear from your life, you'll be able to activate all these accesses. Even like without alchemies, you have access to the ether realm now. We just need to bring up through energetically bringing up through you the activation, so this can, in each person's mind, can say, I got a question about that, and then boom, universe can start responding. See, it's not ready until we're ready, and then it happens on our own activation. Okay, so knowing that just base thing that I just said right there is a formula of awareness, okay? And it's potentials that are highly present and available that have yet to be tapped into. Yet, because of the angle of the soul, of the mind, and where the rudder is to even move to that with clarity, you should be feeling less burden and more joy as you move into that direction. That's how you'll know you're on the right track, all right? So be an angel, be a friend, be a lover, be a god, okay? Be all the things. Just know that you're wearing a hat for a minute, and that is just a part of the makeup of the true us, okay? And Gandalf, you know, thankfully, Gandalf came in the timeline necessary to say, thou shalt not pass, which is really now no more water flowing through the gates. That's called what we called strange, well, back in the day, it'd be strange fire. That's strange fire, and but really what I would say is that's just unordered water going everywhere, and in the water there's information. Aquarius is a water, not a water sign, it's an air sign. We're in the time of information, and so that means Aries fire and Aries air, in really a wonderful love, can then finally produce the right amplification in the signs and in the elements of its own design, and then sit clean and clear for the timeline now, so that we can activate. All right, you're with GP3 on Soul Searching.